Discipline is self-respect. You can't pray for growth and sleep through your alarm. The day you stop negotiating with your limits is the day they stop existing. If you need to remember only one thing today, let it be this: the hard thing is only hard until it's who you are. You can't microwave mastery. You can't negotiate with nature. The universe doesn't care about your feelings. It responds to your actions. And if you pay with the price of your effort, eventually your actions shape who you are. After all, the life you're living right now is just the sum of the standards you've tolerated. Pain is just the price of admission to every room worth entering. Remember that you're not choosing between hard and easy. You're choosing between hard now or harder later. You don't get the life you wish for. You get the life you build, one unremarkable decision at a time. You are not your circumstances. You are your standards. And the moment you raise them, everything else rises to meet you. The pain of discipline and the pain of regret both weigh the same, except one builds you and the other buries you. So make the hard choices now for an easy life later.